come into the FCRC room that are dealing with crises, the kids sometimes have trouble focusing on school because their life is in turmoil.
There was 1 month in particular, it was really tight.
And so part of our job is to find resources that allow the family to settle.
And she actually got me on a HUD list back in February, and my name just came up 2 weeks ago, which is going to change my rent.
When I look at a student, I know that what's going on with the student or the child is a bigger picture, that the family has something going on. And so if you bring stability to the family, it allows the student to become stable as well.
It's not just like she's helped me with just like a Band-Aid patch. Like, she's actually set me up to get out of that situation. It's definitely affected, their education, because we don't have to worry about food, we don't have to worry about housing, and they don't have to worry about not being able to go to school or having to change schools repeatedly, So it hasn't affected them. They haven't felt the strain of it at all.
If a family comes in needing any resource, I try to do research to find something to connect them with. And we have a lot of families that come in that are losing their housing or are having trouble paying rent or electricity. We also try to bring the families into the schools. So we do events that connect families to schools. We do food bags for the kids that we send home for weekends. I do a lot of shoes for kids.
Yeah, I've got a couple doctors apparently in my family.
Do you know what you might want to be when you grow up?
Doctor.
I want to be a doctor.
Because we help people.
So this school thing really is important.
Actually having results and having people come back and say, my life is better at this moment because of what I was able to receive. And that's very rewarding.